Do we offer drone footage? There's a couple of options when it comes to the drone. The first being what we call venue footage. This is where we will normally arrive early at the venue, get the drone in the air, get some sort of kind of cool and epic shots of the actual venue. These work really great, you know, sometimes at the start of the venue and maybe a little bit later on, but obviously just kind of setting the scene of that gorgeous place you're getting wed. The second option is we book one of our guys in for say 4 hours. So to give you an idea of cost to book a drone guy for 4 hours is probably going to be about $450, something like that. Good thing about that is they're there just to fly the drone, so they can get the venue shots, they can get couple shots reception, they're going to get everything we need. But what I would say is this, there's only ever so many drone shots you're going to use in your highlight film. Epic as they are, you know, there's only going to be a few little clips in there. So sometimes for what you're paying, you know, is what you're getting. So that leads us to option 3. If you book a second videographer, so then you've basically got 2 videographers all day, right? So that can help in multitude of ways. You've got, you know, be 2 places one time, groom prep, bridal prep, speeches, ceremony, you can have 2 angles. Or as well, in times like the reception, one guy can be doing what he normally is doing, and then the other guy can get the drone in the air. So that way you're going to have 2 videographers all day, so you get extra video footage, but plus you're going to get some cool drone shots. So that's probably what I'd advise. It's kind of the win-win. So in the description down below, I'm going to put a couple of links to a couple of cool films we've done that have a bit of drone footage. There's one down Hall, and I'll put a couple of one of the London films we've done where we've got some really cool stock drone footage, which again, when it comes to London, you know, coming to Tower Bridge, etc., really sort of like pumps up that, you know, that vibe and just that London feel. Down Hall film we shot, I mean, that's kind of cool. There's this big long entrance for the bride. That's why she wanted it. She wanted this drone shot. It's a real long entrance for her walking outside to the groom. And what's really cool with it as well, there's one bit where she goes under you lose 100 of these trees, and obviously our drone guy keeps going, and then as she pops out the other side of the trees, it's pretty cool, I have to say. Don't forget to catch the whole series of frequently asked questions. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. You'll also see loads of our latest films coming out on there, so you keep up to date with what we're doing. Thanks for watching. You have a wonderful and blessed day.